Ever wondered what happens when brilliant engineers are pushed to their absolute limits with survival on the line? World War II wasn't just a clash of armies, it was a desperate race of innovation, birthing some of the most bizarre and terrifying machines ever conceived. These weren't just weapons, they were gambles, wild experiments forged in the crucible of conflict. Take the Dornier. Do 3 fast that it needed an explosive ejection seat because bailing out normally meant getting sliced by the rear propeller. Imagine being the pilot, knowing your only escape was to be literally blasted out of your seat. That's desperation engineering. Then there was the first operational jet fighter, the Messerschmitt Me 262. It flew so fast that Allied pilots in their propeller planes could uneven touch it. It was a glimpse into the future of air combat. But its revolutionary jet engines were notoriously unreliable. They had a lifespan of maybe 10 to 25 hours, if you were lucky. They could flame out during sharp turns or catch fire for no reason. Flying one was a constant dance with disaster. You were piloting a technological marvel that was actively trying to kill you. And let's not forget the machines that were simply too much. The Maus Super Heavy tank weighed a staggering 188 tons. It was a mobile fortress, impenetrable to almost any weapon the Allies had. The problem? It was too heavy for most bridges. It was so massive and complex that it often broke down and was too slow to be a practical weapon on the battlefield. It was a monster that couldn't even get to the fight. These creations, from the rocket-powered V2 that broke the sound barrier to the colossal tanks that could barely move, weren't just designs on a drawing board. They were real, physical manifestations of a world at its breaking point. They blurred the line between genius and madness, showcasing what humanity is capable of when pushed to the edge. They were terrifying. They were flawed, but they were also monuments of engineering that changed the world forever. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the extremes of history and technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more stories like this. See you in the next one.